Hiccups aren't just random. They are a sudden contraction of the diaphragm, our breathing muscle. This contraction creates the hic sound as air rushes in. But why does this happen? It's often triggered by eating too fast, drinking carbonated drinks, or sudden temperature changes. Even stress or excitement can cause it. The good news: hiccups are usually harmless and temporary. In rare cases, persistent hiccups can signal a health issue. So, next time you hiccup, slow down your eating and take a deep breath.